Hey everybody, this is a video about how to write equivalent fractions. So first of all, come over here and grab a pen or a marker. It's up to you. Okay. So the first problem we have is we have the fraction 1/2. And we want to write an equivalent fraction of 1/2. So what you can do is you can multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number or factor, okay, to get an equivalent fraction. So I'm going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by, let's say, 3. And when I do that, I get 1 times 3 is 3. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/2 equals 3/6. Here we have 2/5. So again, let's multiply both the 2 and the 5 by the same number. And let's go with, how about 2 times 2? And times 2 down here. And 2 times 2 is 4. And 5 times 2 is 10. So 4/10 equals 2/5, and 3/6 equals 1/2.